Hello, good morning. If this is your morning, good afternoon. If this is your afternoon, or good night. If this is your night. In Igbo, I say, ụtụtụ ọma, ehihie ọma, mgbede ọma, abalị ọma, depending on your location and what it is by your own time. Ndewono. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Oge eruola mgbe anyị na-enwe klaasị anyị. Ya mere ebe ọbụla ị nọ na-abịa ugbu a bata na klaasị ka anyị nwee ihe ọmụmụ anyị ugbu a. Oge erugo mgbe anyị na-enwe ya. So wherever you are and you are hearing my voice and you're seeing me now, you need to join this live class now. It is time to have our weekly live class. This is the Igbo Tutor Live. So join me now. Let's have this class together. Wherever you are, you're a member of this channel, you need to come online now, join the class, and let's begin as usual to have this special class. This is the time we come together to challenge ourselves to learn Igbo language on the go. It's a free live class, especially for those who are members of this channel. You need to come on board now. This is the time agreed for us to meet every Saturday to have our live class. So wherever you are and you're a member of this channel, begin to join this class now. Let's begin in earnest so that we can cover all we need to cover today. This is the Igbo Tutor live. Let's do it together. Begin to join now. Here, we give ourselves opportunity to learn Igbo language, challenge ourselves to learn new things, sharpen our skill on the ones we've known before, measure our level of progress in Igbo language. This is what we do here every Saturday on this live class. Now we are doing general conversation that is aimed at measuring our level of progress and understanding of the Igbo language. We also challenge ourselves to measure our level of progress. We may have been watching videos or doing other things on our private levels, but here we come together to learn as a community, as a family, to interact with each other. It's always a good time to be here. So wherever you are, I encourage you to begin to join now, especially if you're a member of this channel. And if you have not joined our membership, why not hit the join button now beside the channel name and join our full membership. That way, you will get access to this live class every Saturday, plus other benefits like free ebook and audiobook every month. Do that now. You'll be glad you did. So we are welcoming you. If you've joined the class, do well to drop your greetings so we know you are in the class and we welcome you officially. So if you're already in the class, you do well. Let me see the early bird. Drop your greetings in the chat. Let's know you are in the class. Let's welcome you officially. Oh, Chika. Wow. Chika, you are breaking the record again today. You are coming to class first again today. Oh, that's lovely. That's lovely. Wow, that Chika. Okay. Love to see you. Love to see you. Love to see you again. Okay. Let's see who else is in the class. Let's begin to join now. Chika is here already. Where are the rest members of the class? The earlier we join, the better for all of us, so we can cover all we need to do within the time allocated for this. It's just 1 hour. We don't want to exceed that. Chika, keki mere. Let's be talking. Keki mere. If you are hearing me, respond to my question. Keki mere. Keki mere o Chika. Nwanne m Chika. Nwada Chika, keki mere. Okay. All right. At the moment, that's great. And at least that confirms that my audio is clear enough, right? You can hear me clearly. My audio is loud enough. Is that true? Or I need to adjust anything? Is the audio good enough? Confirm that the audio is okay. There is nothing to adjust. Is it okay? Yes, I need to hear that from you, Chika. I think my mic level is low. I need to move it up a little bit. Yes, I think so. Okay, it's okay. That's fine. I just adjusted the mic small. Right, where are the rest members of this channel? Where are our rest members? Let's come on. Chika is already in the class. Where are you guys? Let's not keep Chika waiting for too long. Let's do this together. Where are you? Yes, come on now. Let's do this together. Come to class now. We have a limited time for this class. We will not exceed 1 hour. So the earlier, the better for us. Last week, we began a new series. As we wait for others, let's review what we've done last week. We began a new series on general conversation using Igbo language to test our comprehension of the Igbo language, understanding of Igbo language, and ability to translate what is said in Igbo language and give it the appropriate meaning. So we are going on with that today. We will make general sentences, maybe focusing on one thing or the other to see how much you can understand the Igbo expressions and make proper use of it. So we are waiting for you. Once I have one more person, this class will begin. We can't wait too long. Once I have one more person joining the class, we will begin the class. So Chika, please, a little bit patient. Are you okay with that? I don't want it to be only me and you. Let's wait a little bit for one more person or two to join the class before we start fully. Is that okay with you? One that Chika. Are we on the same page? All right, Imela. Dalo. So, okay, maka olu. Let's be talking generally. Okay, maka olu gi. Okay, maka olu gi Chika. Okay, maka olu gi. Okay, maka olu gi o. I'm waiting for your response. Okay, maka olu gi. All of them are great. Great. All right. Chika, ilugodi. 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 I hope you understand my question. Ilugodi. If you know you are already in the class, please indicate you are in the class. I think you are seeing my response late. Yes, it's coming a little bit late somehow. Maybe it's network issue. Oh, sorry. I need to bring my network. Something is it here? Oh, my modem is not here. It's far, a little bit far away. Okay, Clement Emehe, you're welcome. Oh my God. Anyway, but I think the reception is okay, but it's not. My network modem is far from here. I forgot to bring it, but the reception is fine. I think it's working well for now. Hope no problem. Ndewo, Mazi Clement Emehe. Yeah, 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 it's okay. So we have a second person joining us now in the class, Mazi Emehe Clement. So we can begin the class in full now without wasting time. We just have 7 minutes above the time. So we go on. Odema, we continue from where we stopped last time and we continue making our expressions. I will speak in Igbo while you will repeat what I said in English in the chat to be sure you understood what I said, the expression. Okay? Let's go. Are we ready? Mr. Meher, are you ready? Jikere? Are we ready for this? Let's go. Okay, we begin. Odema, Odema. The first expression is ibiligo n'ụra. Ibiligo n'ụra. Ibiligo n'ụra. Let's write that. Let's write that. Don't write the Igbo, write the English. Let me see how much you understand my voice and the expression and the sound. Ibiligo n'ụra. Let's go. Write that in English in the charts. Ibiligo n'ụra. Let's see how much you understood what I said. Ibiligo n'ụra. It's a question, oh, it's a question. Oh, chicas, I have no idea. What about Mr. Mehe? Ibiligo n'ụra is a question. Clement, what do you say? Ibiligo n'ụra. Clement, what do you say? Ibiligo n'ụra. Let's go. Something about sleeping. Yes, it has to do with sleep. It has to do with sleep. Do you rejoice? Wow, not really. There's no rejoicing there. I think Odua is even getting closer. It has to do with sleep. Ora is sleep. Yeah, that's true. Let me write it. Let me write it uh, in the chat. Maybe that will help. Maybe that will help. Mhm. Maybe that. Okay, did you sleep? Not really. Not really. Not really. It's not did you sleep. This is what I said. Ibiligo Nora. Ibiligo Nora. Okay, can we try now? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Have you slept? Good effort, but not really that. But you're almost there. Amen. What are you saying? Chika is making effort. Yes, Mr. Clement. What do you say? Chika is almost there. What do you say? Ibiligo Nura. What did Mr. Meher say? Yes, I'm waiting for you. Or you have no idea. If you have no idea, say no idea. So I go ahead and give the answer. Yes, Mr. Meher. What do you say to this? Waiting for you. Where are most of our students? Where are they? You've not come to class today. Oh, I did not remember to post this link. Are you awake from sleep? Or have you woken up from sleep? Jida, are you awake from sleep or have you woken up from sleep? That is, what is this? Okay, not have you slept. Have you woken up? Bilie is wake up. Ibiligo, have you woken up? Nora from sleep. I hope that is fine. All right, now you are awake. You now say, Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. I thought that would be itetagonora. Yeah, ibiligo is have you woken up? Are you gotten up? Itetagonora is also correct. Itetago ora. Itetago ora is also correct. Itetago ora or nora. Okay. Tetago ora or itetagonora is the same thing. It's only expressed in different way. Itetagora or itetagonora or ibiligonora. Bilie is getting up. Theta is waking up. I think that is different between the two. Okay. Bilie, get up. Okay. Theta, wake up. Bilie, get up. So, okay. You said rejoice. No, I never say Moria. I say Nora, Nora. I even wrote it now. I think I wrote it before you gave your answer. Okay. So now you're away from sleep. The next sentence is Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. What did I say? Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Let's go. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Okay, waiting for you. Let's go. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Let's go. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Okay, Clement is in. What about Chika? What do you say? Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Chika, I'm waiting for your response. Ụtụtụ ọma nne m. Good morning, my mom. Both of you are correct. Let's go. Next. Adam, nwa m kee ka ị mere. Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Nwa m kee ka ị mere. What does that mean? Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Let's go. Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Who is giving us that? Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Yes. Who is shooting first? Clement is first again. Clement is in. Chika, what do you say? Nwa m kee ka ị mere. Yes, Chika. My child, how are you doing? Wow. I think Chika is the winner in this case. My child, how do you do or how are you doing? So Chika is the winner here. Is either how do you do or how are you doing? But the best is actually how do you do or how are you? Just simply, my child, how are you? Or how do you do? Okay? Because doing is present continuous. It's not kekine isi, kekine eme, or kekisi eme. It's keki mere. How do you do? Okay? The child says, yes. What did I say? Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. What did I say? Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Let's go there. Who shoots first? Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Chika is in. Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Yes, Emehe. You are the one we are waiting for. Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Let's go. Mr. Emehe, where are you? Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. Nsogbu adịghị ezigbo nne m. I hope Emehe is still in the class. I hope he has not gone out. Is he still there? Okay. No problem. is well, my mother. Why Chika wrote, no problem, my mother, or no problem, is well, my mother. Not really. Ezigbo name. Ezigbo name is adjective qualifying your mother. So it's not, it is where. No problem, it is where, my mother. Something you guys are missing. So Buade is fine. But you didn't get Ezigbo name. Okay. This is Ezigbo name is my good mom. My good mom. My good mom. No problem, my good mom. So Ezigbo name is my good mother. Ezigbo name. I hope that is clear. Ezigbo name is my good mom. Is that okay? Is that clear? Ezigbo name is my good mom. Okay. Next sentence. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Let's go. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. What is that? Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Let's go. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Yes, let's go. Waiting for you to come in with a response. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Otherwise, here. Okay. Okay. I don't understand what you are saying, what you are writing. Chika. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. What is the meaning of SSSS? If you don't know, you say amaim. That is, I don't know. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. Yes. So what is Odoa saying? No problem. I saw, please let us. I take that to be your answer. Except you want to amend it. Biko ka m gaa sachaa eze m. What is Emehe saying? What is Clement Emehe saying? Please let me dash that teeth. Okay, teeth is there. Eze, you are correct. Please let me is also correct. What you are leaving out is Gasacha. Clement is in. Please let us go wash outside. I didn't say ezi. I say ezem. Biko kamga sacha ezem. I didn't say ezi. I said ezem. Let me go wash my, oh yes, that's better. Please let me go wash my teeth. Excellent. 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 Clement Emehe has gotten it very correctly. Please let me go wash my teeth. That's very correct. Biko kam ga sacha ezem. Let me go brush or wash my teeth. Correct. From Clement Emehe. Okay. Next sentence. Clement is the winner for this case. Next sentence. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. What is that? What is that? Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. Let's go. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. What is that? Let's go there. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. Yes. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. Waiting for you. Waiting for you. Ọ dị mma. Gaa mee ya ọsịsọ. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, Clement is in. Clement is in, waiting for Chika. Clement is in. Chika, where are you? Okay, Chika is in. It is well. Do it quickly. Clement is good. Go do it quickly. Clement again is the winner here. Odemaga, that is go. Meya, do it. Osiso, quickly. Chika also tried. It is well, or it is, but in this case, she didn't put go do. Go do it. He just put do it. Okay. Chika, you tried also. It's good or it's okay. Go do it quickly. So I give it to Clement. Amen. Again, for this round. For the map. Now, next sentence. Next sentence. Biko mee ka anyị chọrọ isi nri. The sentence is anyị chọrọ isi nri. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. Let's go. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. What is that? Anyị chọrọ isi nri. Let's write that in English in the chat. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. Let's go. Write that now. Let's go there. Your connection is very slow, sir. Clement and I had sent our responses about 4 minutes before you saw them. Wow, that is serious. Okay, let me do something. I need to bring my modem near here. It's far from here. Let me go get it. Just give me a minute. Sorry about that. It's actually a network issue. It's actually a network issue. It's raining here, and I think the network is lagging behind. It's dragging. Sorry about that, Chica. Okay. Okay. Anyị chọrọ isi nri. I want to cook. While Clement wrote, we want to cook food. Wow. Clement is leading in this class today. Chika also is making great efforts. Anyị is we. Anyị chọrọ. We want. Isi nri, to cook food. Nri is food. Isi, to cook. So Clement again is the winner here. Chika, you are trying. Appreciate you. Just take the correction. Okay, we are all here to learn. Anyị, we, chọrọ, want, isi, to cook, nri, food. Chika, do you get that? Okay, yeah, it's we want to cook. Yeah, cook, but you have to put food, nri. All right, so it's fine. No problem about that. Let's go on. Okay, the next is gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Let's go. Yeah, anyị is we. Okay, we want to cook. Yeah, that is it. That's it. I know it may be an error. Yeah, Chika, I've already made another sentence, so which is gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? That is a new sentence now. It's a question actually. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? So let's deal with that now. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Let's deal with that. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Let's go. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Let's go there. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Who is shooting that first? Who is shooting that first? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Yeah. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Yeah. I know your network is dragging. Okay. What Clement is in? Waiting for Chika. I don't know why most of our students are not in class today. I don't know. I hope it's not because I didn't post this link to our Telegram group. I don't know what happened. But we all already know our time. And this announcement have been in my channel since Thursday. So I expected them to know about it. So I don't know why many of our students are not here today. But it's well. They will watch later from the homepage. Okay. So Chika, what do you say? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? Yes, Chika. Clement is in. We are waiting for you. Okay. What will we go cook? Clement wrote, what will we cook? Okay. The correct answer is that of Clement. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? What will we eat? What will we eat? Cook, rather. What will we cook? Or what will we cook? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? What will we go cook? Okay, I think Chika was bringing in the gaesi to be go cook. But gaesi is actually will cook. Will cook. Gaesi, present continuous or present future. Future tense rather. Gaesi. When you have ga plus the verb is future tense. Will cook. What will we cook? Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? So no need to put go. It's not go somewhere. It's will cook. Okay. So Chika, make your correction. Remove go from your sentence. All right. But a good fair trial. Good trial. Good trial. Let's go on. And What we have is anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Let's go there. Let's go there. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Yes. Let's go. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Okay. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Don't forget to give this live class a thumbs up. Hit the like button beside the channel name for a thumb up. If you are learning from this, thank you for doing that. Okay. Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Oh. But I've already said you got it. Clement, you still want me to write the correct one? Please post the correct Igbo sentences. Okay. I've already said you got it. Okay. Okay, you asked me whether it is correct. That's okay. What will what will we cook? Is the correct sentence that is correct. That is it. So that's all right. Correction taken. I'll be posting the final answer. All right. Remember I said anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Okay. Yeah, that is the question. Okay. Okay, Chika is in. Yes, Clement, that what you wrote is the question. Gịnị ka anyị ga-esi? That is the question. Chika has already come in with the answer. Okay. Okay. You want me to also write the question and the answer? Clement, do you want me to also write the question? I wanted you to listen to me and get the sound and the meaning from my voice, not written. Okay? Just like a conversation. That is what I want to achieve. To know if you can comprehend what somebody is saying to you in verbal conversation. That is the goal of this series. Okay? That is the goal. All right. Chika has given me answer in anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. What is Clement saying about it? Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. What did Clement say? Anyị ga-esi ofe onugbu. Okay. Let me see who gets it perfectly well. Clement is in. Chika is the winner in this case. She spelled onugbu perfectly well. Why Clement did not get the spelling of onugbu? He wrote onobu. That's not correct. It's onugbu. Chika's answer is the correct one. So I'm going to write that. Okay. Chika is the winner now. Chika is the winner in this case. Yes. Chika is the winner in this case. Okay, next sentence. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. That is the sentence. Let's go. Mana Anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Let's go there. Let's go. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Go ahead and write it in English. Write in the chat. Let's go there. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Let's go, let's write, let's write. Let's go there. Yes, waiting for you. Who is shooting first? Who is shooting first? Believe network is holding you back. Just post, just post. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Yes. Mana anyị enweghị akwụkwọ nri onugbu. Clement is in. Yeah, Chika. We are waiting for you now. Clement is in. Chika is in. Okay. Chika, good effort. But your interpretation was very literal, not perfectly in Igbo form, but you tried. You tried to interpret literally, word for word. Okay? But it's not vegetables for onugbu. It is onugbu leaf. Okay? So Clement is doing that here, but we do not have onugbu leaf or onugbu vegetable. Either way. But we do not have onugbu vegetable, not vegetable for onugbu. Onugbu is the name of the vegetable already. So it's onugbu leaf or onugbu vegetable. Either way. But we do not have onugbu vegetable. So I put it this way. But we do not have onugbu vegetable. But I must commend both of you. You are doing very well. You are doing very well. So, good effort. Ọ dị mma. Aga m aga zụta ya. 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 That is the sentence. Let's go. Let's go there. Ọ dị mma. Aga m aga zụta ya. Let's go. Who is shooting first? Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. Clement is in. It's good. Okay, Chika, we're waiting for you. Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. We are waiting for Chika. Chika, waiting for you. Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. Yes, Chika. Yes, Chika. Yes, I'm waiting for Chika. Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. Chika is in. It's okay. I will go buy it. That's correct. It's okay. It's good. It's fine. I will go buy it. Both of you are correct. Both of you are correct. Ọ dị mma, aga m aga zụta ya. It's okay. It's fine. It's good. I will go buy it. Both are correct. Ọ dị mma. Next sentence. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? Kedu ebe ị ga-aga ịzụta ya? Kedu ebe ị ga-aga ịzụta ya? Let's go. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? That is the next sentence. Let's go. One of you have not hit the like button for this live class. Hit the like button beside the channel name. Yes. At least I have only two of you. No problem. We're moving on. At least it's not going to be my fault that I didn't come to class. I was here. Okay. So if others did not come, it's not my fault. I don't know what happened to them. Maybe they forgot. Maybe they didn't get the link. I don't know what happened. Clement is good, is in. Where? Okay, I don't want to read it. Let me wait for Chika's response. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? Chika, we're waiting for you. What do you say? What do you say? I know it's network that is holding you back. Yes, Chika. Waiting for your response. Yes, Chika. I believe you are there. It's network that is disturbing you. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? I know network is challenging you. Your response is not coming in quickly. Sorry about that. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? I think network is affecting us badly. Network is affecting us badly. Yeah, Chika. Let me have your response. I think network is dealing with us now. And if you don't know, say Amaim, just write Amaim so we can move on. The sentence is Kedebe Igaga Zotaya. Clement Eme has sent in his report, his response. I'm waiting for Chika. And I know Chika must have sent her own, but network is not letting it to come in. Yes, 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 yes. Network, 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 please. Let's go on. Kedu ebe ị ga-aga zụta ya? Chika, where are you? Where are you? Where are you? Write the response, or you write a mime, I don't know, or no idea. Let's move on. I think we're having issue with network now. I think we're having issue with network. I think we're having issue with network. That is the question. I'm posting it again in writing. Test. Test. I don't know. Clement, what do you mean by test? I think there's a challenge with network. What do you mean by test, Mr. Clement? I think this is a network challenge. I think it's a network challenge. I think it's a network challenge. Yeah. Odema. I see the question. Odema. Okay. I have a challenge. I hope we have not lost Chika. So your response is fine. Emehe, where will you go to buy it? Your response is correct. I don't know whether Chika is still there or we've lost her entirely, but we have to go on to conclude the class. Okay, the next sentence is Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. Okay, aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. So let's go on, Mr. Clement. Pending when Chika was able to come back online again, maybe network problem. Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. So let's go. This is for the sake of those who are going to rewatch this so that we don't keep them wondering. Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. What is that? We go to the market now. Correct. Correct. Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. I will go to market now. Clement, you are correct. Okay. That is the answer to that question. Aga m aga ahịa ugbu a. You are very correct. So, and then the next is ọ dị mma gaa ọsịsọ. Ọ dị mma gaa ọsịsọ. Let's go with that. Ọ dị mma gaa ọsịsọ. Ọ dị mma gaa ọsịsọ. Let's go. It's fine. Go quickly. It's fine. Go quickly. Okay, that's correct. That's correct. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. That is the next sentence. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Let's go. Let's write it. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Yes. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. Waiting for that. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. My mother returned from the market. That actually is a question. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa is a question. Mr. Mehe is a question. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa is a question. So review your answer. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa is a question. So review your answer. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa is a question. So review your answer to that. That is a question. That is the question. Just to help you. Nne m ịlọtago ahịa. So I should go ahead and answer the question. Okay. Mom, are you back from market? That is what it is. Right. It has been a nice time. Unfortunately, we lost Chika along the line and we couldn't conclude the class with her. But it has been a nice time going on from beginning. And I want to appreciate you guys. I don't know why many of our students are not in class today. I don't know what happened, but all the same, thank you guys for coming, for keeping this thing flowing and going. We know they're going to rewatch this when they are uploaded, when it's uploaded in our homepage. But I must appreciate you are coming, keeping to our time. I believe we have learned today. So if we have learned, let's give a high five, thumbs up, emoji here. Let's appreciate ourselves for what we have done today as we round up the class now. It's 1 hour on the mark. So I want to thank you for your time for today. It's always been a nice time learning together with you. Chukwu gọzie gị, Maazị Emeghe, imeela ka emesịa ka ọ dị. Ka ị ga-ahụ na Monday, we're supposed to see on Monday. Ngwa ka emesịa. Bye.